How to fix Roblox error code 277. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix Roblox error code 277. So let's jump straight into it. First, open a browser and head to status.roblox.com. This page shows Roblox's server status. So if the servers are down or experiencing problems, that could be why you're seeing the error. If everything on that page says operational, then the issue is likely on your end, not Roblox's. If the servers look fine, try a simple restart of your computer because a fresh reboot clears a lot of temporary glitches. To do that on Windows, right-click the Start button, go to Shutdown or Sign Out and choose Restart. After your PC restarts, open Roblox again and see if the error is gone. If you still get error 277, check your network. Right-click your Wi-Fi icon in the Start menu bar and select Troubleshoot Problems. When it asks which network to check, choose All Network Adapters and let Windows scan for and try to fix any connection issues. Follow any recommended actions. It gives you these automated fixes often resolve the problem. If none of that works, the next reliable step is to uninstall Roblox completely and reinstall it. Open your Start menu and search for Add or Remove Programs, then open the result that appears. In the list, find Roblox and Roblox Player if it's also installed and click Uninstall to remove them both. Once that's done, reinstall Roblox from the Microsoft Store or whatever sources you've used previously to download now. After it installs, hit play and check if the error is fixed. A clean reinstall removes corrupted files or bad updates that can trigger error 277. Hopefully, one of these methods gets you back into the game quickly. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.